Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. We will be doing a ballet-inspired bar workout today to tone your full body muscles. No equipment needed. Let's get ready and move with me. Let's take in some deep breaths and stretch out the arms to warm up the body. Reach the ceiling through the fingertips on your inhale. 2 more breaths. Bring your arms to first position. Open the arms as you turn out the feet to first position. Keep the heels together, squeeze the glutes and turn out from the inner thigh. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to plie and stretch up. Make sure the knees are in line with the toes on your plies and push the feet against the floor as you stretch those legs up. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Onto plie and tendu to the side. Transfer your weight to the supporting leg and brush through the floor as you point the feet to the side. Keep your tailbone down and spine lengthen. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, lift the heel as you push the foot out. Keep the turnout from the hip. Tuck the abs and tailbone down. Strong core as you plie. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch side. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the heel lifted as we bring the arms up, center, side, and down. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch side. Center, up, side, down. Center, up, side, down. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to step to the side and stretch up. Step, close, step, up. Lengthen the side of the arm as you stretch up. Last 2 and 1. Begin to speed up. Step, close, step, stretch. Step, close, step, stretch. Keep the turnout as you step to the side. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a rest and we'll get ready in our second position. Down and up, plie and stretch up. Scoop down, stretch up, and reach. Scoop, stretch, and reach. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now rest and stay back at second position. Keep the heels on the floor and turn in and out from the hip and inner thigh. Keep the chest lifted and those arms long and wide. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Now heel lift from the second position. Keep the tailbone down and bend straight down. Knees stay on the toes as you plie down. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch side. Keep it up. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Onto our singles. Keep one heel lifted, arms go center, up, side, down. Keep breathing, your glutes are firing up. Last 2, and 1. Switch side. Center, up, side, down. We're getting there. Keep going. Last 2, and 1. Now take a deep breath and fold forward. Walk your feet together into parallel. Bend the knees and stretch the hamstring. Bend and roll up the spine. Great work, everybody. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!